Good morning friends. In the previous lecture we are talking about the polynomials. In the second lecture we are talking that in the case of the polynomial, suppose that there is a dividend is given, so dividend it is equal to divisor into quotient and plus remainder. That I give the example. Here is an example. Suppose that here is I divide 45 by 4. If I divide 45 by 4, so here is a 4 ones are 4, that 0, and here is a 5, then 4 ones are 4, and here is a 1. So you can see here 45, this is equal to dividend. This is a dividend. Next, here 4 is a divisor. Here 11 is a quotient. And 1 is a remainder. So it is for the simple arithmetic. In the case of the algebra, you are also divide and you find that the dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Here dividend, this is equal to divisor into quotient and plus remainder. Here you can see, suppose that here is a 4, you multiply 4 is a divisor. If you 4 multiply with 11, it is a quotient. So 4 11s are, it is a 44, and plus remainder plus 1, so it is converted into 45, and this is a dividend. So dividend, this is equal to divisor into quotient and plus remainder. So same type of the question in algebra is also given, and how we can solve. So I solve some questions related to this formula. That first question is that here one polynomial px is given. Px is equal to x cube and plus 3x square and plus 3x and plus 1. You divide by x plus 1. Divide by, this is equal to x plus 1. If you divide by this polynomial x plus 1, then what is the value of different thing, how you can find? So you see here you divide by this polynomial x plus 1. So if you divide x plus 1, so this is equal to x cube plus 3x square and plus 3x and plus 1. Okay. So first all of you see, the first term of the polynomial is a x cube, and here the first term of the divisor, this is equal to x. So by which number I multiply in x, so it is converted into the x cube. First thing, I also repeat it, by which number you multiply in x, so it is converted into the x cube. So here is a x. If I multiply x square, so it is converted into the x cube. So we take the multiplication of x square, so x square multiply x, so it is converted into the x cube. 1 multiply with the x square, so it is converted into the x square. After subtraction, sign will be changed. After subtraction, the sign will be changed. Here is a x cube, cancel with the x cube, 3x square subtracted by the x square, so it is equal to 2x square. Another term is as like same 3x plus 1. Then second condition you can see, here is a 2x square and here is a x. So which number you multiply in x, so it is converted into the 2x square. So if I multiply with the 2x, so it is converted into the 2x square. So there is a 2x square, and 1 multiplied by 2x, so it is converted into the 2x. So therefore here is a minus, because subtraction, in the case of the subtraction the sign will be changed, 2x square cancel, here is a 3x minus 2x, it is equal to x plus 1. After that here x and there is also x, so with you multiply by 1, so x multiply by 1, it is a x, 1 multiply 1, so it is also equal to 1, it is sign will be changed, minus and minus, so it is cancel and here is a 0. So you can say according to the dividend remainder theorem that dividend, here is a px is a dividend, px is a dividend is given x cube 3x square 3x plus 1. This is a divided by, it means divisor, divisor is a x plus 1, it is a divided by x plus 1. So here is a quotient, this is a quotient is a x square plus 2x plus 1, and this is the x square plus 2 1 plus 1, and here is a remainder is a 0 because remainder is a nothing, so it is converted into the 0. So you apply this formula and you can find dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder, and this is the method for dividing any polynomial in the various variables. Another question is also given, find the remainder when x cube ax square. Here is another question is given, that question number 2, find the remainder. Here is a find the remainder if x cube minus ax square and plus 6x and minus a is divided by x minus a. If this question is divided by x minus a, then what is the value of remainder? In the same questions you can apply here also. Here is a x and this is the x cube, so you multiply by the x square, square, so it is converted into the x cube. Here is a multiply by the x square, so this is a minus ax square. After the subtraction, this is the positive, so convert into the negative, this is the negative, so convert into the positive. X cube is cancelled by x cube. Here is a ax square and here is a ax square, it is also cancelled to each other. Then this is the 6x minus a. After that here is a x and here is a x and here is a 6x, so you multiply with 6 plus 6, so it is a 6x, a multiply 6, so minus 6a, and therefore after subtraction this cancel by each other, and here is a plus 6a and minus 6a, so it is equal to 5a. Here value is the 5a, so you can say this is a remainder if you divided this polynomial x cube minus ax square plus 6x and minus a by x minus 1, so you can find that remainder is 5a. Here is a remainder and this is equal to 5a. Here in the question remainder is a 5a. So these are the two various questions related to the division algorithm. So how you can divide and you can find dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. After that we are going for the factorization. Factorization of the polynomials. How you can factorize the polynomials? So first method is a factorization of the polynomial by splitting the middle terms. Suppose that any polynomial is given of the quadratic polynomial. In the case of the quadratic polynomials, how you can factorize? Then first you split the middle terms. I give you example here, that here is a x square and minus 22x and plus 120. Then how we can factorize? So here is the example that splitting the middle terms. Here is splitting the middle term. It means first you multiply first term to the last term. So it is converted 120 and here is a 22. So I split in the middle term minus 12x and minus 10x, because first you add 12x and 10x, both are the negative sign, so it is converted into the minus 22, and if you multiply 12x with 10x, both are the negative sign, so it is converted into 120 x square. So this is called the splitting of the middle terms. Here is a x square, so this is the x square minus 12x minus 10x plus 120. Therefore, here you take the common x, so x minus 12 and minus 10 is also common in both terms. So here is a x and this is equal to, you take the minus is common, so inside sign will be changed. There is a positive, so convert into the negative. 10 12s are 120. So this is equal to x minus 12 and other bracket is a x minus 10. So this is the method by factorization, by splitting the middle terms. So many others example is also given related to this.